Alright, the video is recording. I was kind of busy staring at my hair because it's all purple and stuff, and I'm totally like grabbing in the wrong place. It's sort of kind of purple right here. Right here. No, right here. Look, here. Wherever it's purple, it's purple. And then if I randomly start staring at the webcam, it's because there's this blinking light on it, and it's kind of distracting. So I kind of just like stare at it, or at my hat, which is like right over there, or the lava lamp, and it's all like a straight line. So if I end up staring like this way, I'm looking at one of those three things. Or I'm like looking over there in that direction. I'm looking at my TV. TV's over there. And then my poster. And this is like the most pointless video ever. But I'm still making it because I have no shame. And I'm actually speaking. So I'm just gonna talk. I'm still gonna keep speaking. And if my phone or the computer or anything else starts making noise, not my fault. It's people talking to me, or not talking to me but poking me on Facebook, and why am I still talking?